just since it's only been 2 days, and this is just the end of our first session today. Sorry about all the stuff in the background. That's to keep my daughter entertained. I just want to do a quick little clip of what we've been doing so far. We have been working to establish a marker system. So for right now, I'm using a clicker, but I'm also teaching her the different marker verbal cues that I'm going to be giving her throughout training. So the first one is going to be good, which eventually is going to be a duration marker, but it's signaling to her the exact moment in time that she does something that I like. So what I'm going to be doing is luring her into a position. I'm not doing commands yet, just working on verbal cues. So when she shows me the behavior that I like, I'm going to say the word good, offer her a treat. And then I'm going to periodically do good, treat, to naturally build duration. And then I'm going to say, okay, and then lure her off to signal that that's going to be our terminal marker. So right now, they're going to mean most of the same thing to her. The clicker is something that I use to build excitement and shaping the behavior. So the first step is going to be luring her into something, clicking, and then immediately letting her come get a reward from me. And then once she has a pretty good basis of that, then I'm going to start adding in that good and okay to show her that I like what she did. Keep doing it with the good, and then okay, you're done with the behavior. Hi, you want to show? So I'm going to use the place as an example. She was a little bit nervous of walking on to this at first. Totally normal, most dogs are. So I didn't expect her to be on there any length of time. I just marked the moment she touched it and let her come get a reinforcement, and we built from there. So at first it was just her showing interest, click reward, then it was her putting a foot on there, click reward, then it was her running on there, click reward, and then now we're at the stage where she goes on, and when she puts her hiney on there, then I click a reward. Okay. So we're going to just lure her on, and then click on reward. She's still not 100% with the clicker, which is fine. It's only been 2 days. She's starting to understand that the click equals food, which is what the marker system is. It's marking a moment in time and then giving them the reinforcement. But you have to first establish what those markers are. So that's where we are right now, is establishing these markers. Hey. Good. So I want her to be on here for a little bit of time. I keep my hand closed when I'm not giving her anything, and then when I say good, I open my hand. And that keeps her from being overly mouthy. Close my hand, good. And then, okay. Open my hand and let her come off of the place. Phoebe. So when she shows me what I'm looking for, I'm gonna click the word because she's not paying attention. There's lots of cards behind us. Good. Good. And then no. No. Good. Okay. So no is going to be our infraction marker. It's a little early for that, but I'm just starting to introduce it. When I say the word no, I'm going to apply leash pressure to in the opposite direction of where she's moving. So if she goes to break behavior, I'm going to try to stop it with leash pressure as I say the word no to show that I don't like that. Right now, I'm not really expecting any type of duration. I just want her to kind of get a hint that when I say the word good, you're remaining in that behavior. So we'll try it again. Good. And I just want to make her stay on here as long. Good. Okay. And my daughter is being super distracting right now, which is a little bit tricky for her since she's so new to all this, but she's really good with Ava. I want her to be neutral to her, so she's okay with her existing, but not so distracted by her, not so like needing to go check things out. She's just kind of there and afterthought. Good. 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 Start moving around a little bit. Good. Okay. Next to leash. Hi. Phoebe. Phoebe. No. So leash pressure. Good. Okay. There you go. Right here. It's right here. Good job, Mama.